Hi guys, it's Maya Honeywell from the HIVE of Coldwell Banker. Just reporting back to you with some weekly stats, and these stats are from the Board of Realtors, which covers the 8-county metro area. And these are overall price ranges and all property types. So if you would like me to further dice out some details for you as far as price point or certain neighborhoods, please give me a call. I'm at 651-329-3619, but also just wanted to report back what the market is doing. So if we are looking at new listings, which has been something we've been watching these data points for quite some time, new listings just had a very slight up curve here in the last week of inventory. This is looking here at the end of September, as opposed to last year at this time where we had just a little bit drop in inventory. Overall, we're seeing quite a bit of consistency here, and this really does go back to the fact that we didn't have a very normal spring market, and so rather than that, we've just stayed consistently strong all summer long. If we're looking at pending sales here this last data week ending September 28th, we're looking at a nice increase in pending sales, meaning that people are out there writing offers on inventory and getting those properties through the inspection period. So properties that are just prior to closing would be pending sales, and we're seeing a little upward trend here over the last week of data. If there is one thing consistent in 2020, it would be the lack of inventory in real estate. So lots of different things happening out there, but overall we're not seeing any difference here with inventory of homes for sale. It's just kind of a consistent and settled down trend, meaning that there are less properties on the market than there are currently buyers. If you'd like to connect on that, or if you've got a property you're preparing to sell and want to know some of the little things that you can do to maximize profit, certainly give a call and we can step you through that. There's no obligation there. We'd love to help you. One of the questions that I often get when I'm helping people understand the market is, what are properties going for? I know that prices are quite elevated. Are people getting their full asking price on properties? And certainly if we're looking at some of the things that have happened lately in multiple offer scenarios, properties are often going over asking price. And then there's still some consistent market time out there for some properties that don't move quite as fast. But overall, if we're looking at the inventory in the Twin Cities and then the percent of original list price received, we're looking at 100.3%. So that's a stronger data point than we've seen over the last couple of years. So what is slowing down inventory? This is a common question. Certainly everyone's reading the paper. We know that inventory is an issue. We see that there are a lot of multiple offer scenarios, specifically on the lower priced properties. But what is stalling people from listing their properties? Well, one of the things we hear a lot is, where will I go next? What does that property look like? What does other inventory look like? Do I have a clear path forward? And the other thing is, how do I get my house ready to sell? So there's certainly some advantages of using a realtor, and at the HIVE, we take a great deal of pride in helping you understand the process. If you want little tips and snippets, please follow us on Instagram. And otherwise, if you'd like some more detailed or personalized instructions, certainly give us a call. We'd be glad to help. Thank you.